your real mom, you can't do it. No, it is prohibited totally. It is a shame. Thank you. This is Qasim Omar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here today to share with you 14 people that you can't do with them sex. Do with them sex. Now, who are those people? For example, your own mother. Your own mother. You can't do with her sex. You can't even marry her through whatever it is. Any legal, it is illegal. It's totally zero. Second person, your own daughter. Your own daughter, you can't do with it. Sex, marriage. Okay, that's 14 people. Even it's a shame for you to do with them sex or try to engage them through legal way. Now, we refuse, and it has been refused before. But I know some they are doing their trying. That 14 people, we mentioned already we mentioned 2, but that is your mom and your daughter. Okay, your nephew, both the children of your sister, one. The other nephews is the children of your brothers. They're together. So, second, there's your sister-in-law. You can't marry her. The other thing is your aunt, two. One from the side of your mother's sister. The other one from the side of your father. Sister to your father. No, we refused. It is shame. It is very, very, very shameful. Totally. Again, your grandmother. Don't try. Your mother-in-law. Your sister-in-law. The daughter of the wife you married. The daughter of the wife you married. Maybe she was divorced before. She got a child. That child, it is just like your child. You can't marry that child. No. It's illegal. There are lots. Third person. Your stepmother. Imagine that. If you try to fuck your stepmother, the mother that your dad was using, or he's using, very shameful. No, leave about illegal sex you did with her, even to marry her after your father's death. No. We are together. There's a lot of people. For example, their mother who breastfeed you. She became your mother through breastfeed. For example, your mother died when you are very infant or young. You You can't totally try even to marry. The mother who breastfeeds you, that child. It is illegal in any way, in any law. The other person. It is. I talk about your own daughter, the children. The children, that is your grandchildren. The children of your daughter, the children of your boy. That is grandchild. Your grandchild, you can't. No, it's illegal. Thank you. It's a lot. It's about 14, but I mentioned 1 to 2 some. And exact, let me say exact, etc. So, please, I'm Qasim Omar. This is my YouTube channel. Welcome. I say hi to all. This is an education. Maybe some people, they don't even live about knowing that knowledge. They didn't even have. If you are one of them and you did before, God is always forgive. He forgives you. If you are not having that education before, but now, please, if you are doing right now, that if you are on that process thinking about it, put it X. So, Qasim Umar, welcome to, if you are new, please subscribe my channel, like it, and share if you like this video. Until next time, wish you the best. I love you all.